This video tutorial I will explain how to turn on two-factor authentication for Gmail. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Gmail account. Even if someone knows your password, they cannot sign in without the second code sent to your phone. Now we will see how to set up two-factor authentication. First, open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Then sign in your Gmail/Google account if you are not already logged in. Then on the left hand side, click on security. Then scroll down to the section called sign into the Google, and you have to find two-step verification and click on get started. You may be asked to enter your password again for security reason. Now we will see how to complete your two-factor authentication setup. Choose your verification method. Google will suggest your phone for verification. Click on continue. You will receive a prompt on your phone. You have to tab yes to approve, or you will get the SMS code that you have to enter. Set a backup option. If asked, you can add a backup phone number and choose to get codes via text message or a phone call. You can also set up an authenticator app like Google Authenticator for added security. Once you finish the setup, click Turn on to activate two-factor authentication for your account. Now we will see important two-factor authentication security tips. Always keep your phone with you to complete the second step. Add a backup method in case you lose access to your main phone. If you change your phone number, update it in your account setting. What are the benefits of using two-factor authentication? First point is enhanced security. By turning on two-factor authentication, your Gmail becomes much more secure, and it helps to protect your Gmails and personal information from hackers. Second point is peace of mind. Even if someone discovers your password, they still cannot access your account without the second step verification. Third point is simple to use. Once set up, the verification process takes just seconds to complete when logging in.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.